Imagine a place so alive it seems to breathe. This is the jungle. Sunlight barely reaches the ground, filtered through a living roof of giant trees. The air is thick with the scent of earth and flowers, alive with the buzz of insects and the calls of unseen birds. Everywhere something moves, a bright frog on a leaf, a monkey swinging above, ants marching below. The jungle is never silent, never still, a dance of life and survival, millions of years in the making. Ancient trees stand as silent giants, watching generations of animals come and go. Rivers wind like veins, bringing life to every corner of this green kingdom. To step into the jungle is to enter a wild, untamed world that commands respect. Here you feel the warmth, hear the symphony of animal calls, and see colors so bright they seem unreal. The jungle invites us to look closer, listen carefully, and marvel at the richness of life. It's a magical world waiting to be discovered. What is a jungle? It's a warm, wet forest, often called a rainforest, bursting with life. More than half of all plant and animal species on Earth live here, a true hotspot of biodiversity. In just a small patch you might find thousands of different species, giant beetles, shimmering flies, colorful birds, clever monkeys, and powerful big cats. The secret? Sun and rain. Near the equator, sunlight fuels a riot of plant growth, which feeds countless animals. Plants feed plant eaters, who in turn feed predators. A delicate web of life powered by the sun. Every living thing is connected. The fall of a tree opens space for new life. A bee pollinates a flower, feeding a family of monkeys. Even the smallest creatures have a big impact. The jungle is a living tapestry, woven over thousands of years. It's a place where everything in nature is linked in a beautiful, intricate pattern. The jungle's lesson: every creature matters. It's nature's masterpiece of connection and diversity. The jungle isn't just a tangled mess, it's a home with 4 layers, each with its own life. At the top, the emergent layer, tallest trees, strong winds and blazing sun. Eagles and monkeys rule this lonely height. Below, the canopy forms a thick green roof. A bustling world where monkeys, sloths, toucans and tree frogs thrive, rarely touching the ground. Beneath the canopy lies the understory, dark and quiet. Plants here have big leaves to catch the little sunlight that filters through. Jaguars rest on low branches, while insects, snakes and lizards hide among the shadows. Each layer is a unique neighborhood, perfectly suited for its residents. This vertical design lets countless species share the same space without crowding each other. Nature's architecture makes room for all. The jungle's layers are a clever solution to the challenge of life in a crowded world. It's a living skyscraper, teeming with life from top to bottom. Life in the jungle is a daily test of survival. Every animal must find food, avoid predators, and raise its young. Predators like jaguars use stealth and camouflage, blending into the shadows before striking. Prey animals rely on hiding. Stick insects look like twigs. Leaf-tailed geckos mimic dead leaves, and poison dart frogs warn with bright colors. Some animals survive by working together. Monkeys keep watch and sound alarms, protecting the group from danger. Teamwork isn't just for safety. Army ants hunt in massive groups, overwhelming prey much larger than themselves. Cooperation turns weakness into strength. In the jungle, survival isn't just about being the biggest or fastest. It's about cleverness, adaptation, and sometimes the power of the group. Every creature has its own strategy in the great game of survival. The jungle is a place where only the most resourceful thrive. Here, every day is a new challenge, and every victory, no matter how small, is hard-won. Jungle life is as varied as its creatures. Some are social, others prefer solitude. Capuchin monkeys live in noisy troops, learning, sharing, and protecting each other. Young monkeys watch and learn from adults, picking up vital survival skills. Group life means safety, shared knowledge, and strong family bonds. But some, like the jaguar, are loners, patrolling vast territories alone, hunting in silence. Solitude gives big predators enough space and food, and they only meet others to mate. Jungle parents, whether social or solitary, are fiercely dedicated. A mother sloth carries her baby for months. An orangutan spends years teaching her child. No matter the lifestyle, the drive to protect and prepare the next generation is powerful. In the jungle, family takes many forms, but survival always depends on care and learning. Despite its wild power, the jungle is fragile and under threat. Deforestation destroys vast areas, leaving animals homeless and ecosystems broken. Climate change disrupts rainfall, dries rivers, and endangers plants and animals alike. Hunting and illegal trade push many species toward extinction, but hope remains. Around the world, people are fighting to protect jungles, creating parks, studying ecosystems, and supporting local communities. Ecotourism offers new ways to value the jungle without harming it. The jungle teaches us about connection, cooperation, and the importance of every living thing. Protecting it means saving the lungs of our planet, a source of clean air and water. When we save the jungle, we save a treasure trove of life. Its future depends on us. The jungle's magic is worth fighting for. The choice is in our hands.